New at 5, a high-profile murder case is moving forward. The man accused of killing a beloved Detroit neurosurgeon will face a judge next week. This is a tragedy we have followed closely from the beginning. In April 2023, Dr. Devon Hoover's body was found inside his home during a welfare check. More than a year later, in August 2024, Desmond Burks was charged with first-degree murder. Then in March of this year, a judge ruling Burks competent to stand trial. That long-awaited preliminary hearing now set for next week. But first, I want to explain what we can expect. It was the April 2023 horrific murder of a high-profile Detroit neurosurgeon that stunned so many. Dr. Devon Hoover allegedly shot and killed by defendant Desmond Burks. Burks will appear for a preliminary exam next week, accused of first-degree murder and other charges. A friend of Dr. Hoover, Alan Konyash, is still heartbroken over the loss and recalls a final photo he took of him.
I just thought, it can't be a bad thing to have a picture of Devon, and it turns out that was one of the last ones that was taken. It's pretty sad. Once I learned of his murder, it was just, I felt like the air getting knocked out of me.
Prosecutors say Burks had an intimate relationship with Dr. Hoover and say phone records played a key role as part of a massive amount of evidence gathered. The investigation spanning 5 states and 3 countries.
To see this case now going to court, what does that mean to his friends, to his family?
Well, speaking for myself, I have to say that I'm just kind of wondering why it took so long. The murderer took his life without seeming regard for all the things that, all the good that he's done on this planet.
Prosecutor Kim Worthy has said the case has more than 100 hours of video interviews, surveillance from 24 locations, over 300 pieces of evidence, more than 134 search warrant requests, a Range Rover, luxury watches, and multiple terabytes of evidence.
Someone took his life, and that family lost a brother, a son.
I asked retired Assistant Chief Steve Dolant about the bloody scene at Hoover's Boston Edison home and how investigators examined reports of him being shot twice in the head.
Not just going out like a bad guy. You're breaking everything down like you see on TV. It's like a puzzle, and you try to put all the pieces together.
Many times a preliminary hearing either can show the strength of the government's case or its weakness. The evidence that they've been gathering over the last year was meant to determine how the murder occurred, why the murder occurred, and the basis for their belief that the defendant is the one who committed the crime.
Former prosecutor and law professor Adam Wright pointing out loved ones will be learning more details, but some info will be held back. The goal, to present enough evidence to go to trial.
He's gone, and there's a huge void left in the world because he's not here. It's not going to bring back my friend, and a great doctor by all accounts. People that could walk again because of an operation he performed, had a way better quality of life because of some neurosurgery that he performed.
Burks is also currently locked up on separate murder charges as well for allegedly punching and kicking a driver in a road rage case there. I'm told a plea deal in this case could still be negotiated after the preliminary exam or even after trial begins, but it's unknown how likely that could be, Glenda.
And good to hear from a close friend, but have you heard from his family at all?
Yeah, I reached out to a relative today. I've not heard back yet, but we have time and again heard them thank the police and others who've worked so hard on this case to try to move the case forward.
All right. Thanks a lot, Parker.
Yes.